Looks like somebody didn't check the weather report. Oh, what? Cat got your tongue? Or do you not recognize me? I mean, I guess that makes sense. I mean, you're always watching your shoes or staring out the window. Can I ask you a question? I don't know, are you like trying to do the whole cool loner type thing? Oh, what do you mean? Of course I noticed you in the lecture hall. I mean, everyone notices you. You give yourself I don't know, like 6 buffer seats between everybody. Nobody knows how to approach you, really. You really aren't the best with words, are you? Whatever. That's fine. Come on. Yeah, come on. Look, you don't have to talk all that much. My friends, all of them, say that I talk enough for all of us. So you're no problem, okay? What do you mean, what do I mean? Listen, it's raining. You don't have an umbrella, and I do. Look, I can just walk you to the bus stop. It's on the way to my apartment anyway. Or are you going to refuse and just wait until the rain stops? Which, by the way, it's not gonna. So, I think that kind of leaves you 2 options. You can run for it, or I like this option. You can walk with me. Yeah, that's what I thought. Come on. Stand in close. The umbrella's not that big. Okay? We're going to have to both kind of squeeze in a little bit. So, we're going to be headed to the bus stop first, right? I think I've seen you step off one, right? Can I ask, do you commute that far? Living with family still? I mean, it must be somewhat nice. My folks are, God, a couple cities away, so staying with them isn't really feasible. But I gotta admit, getting to stay in my own place is pretty nice. The neighbors are real sweet. And, the lady across the hall gave me like a whole apple crumble the other day. And, how am I even supposed to eat all of it? I guess I could invite my friends over, but some of them are kind of like small doses friends, you know? Like, I love them, but it's only for a couple hours at a time. And if they learn that I'm on my own, they'll just basically move into my place as their own second home. I like living alone for the alone aspect. After class and my part time job, sometimes I don't know, I just want to relax, watch a movie, play a game, or something. Hmm? Oh, that piques your interest. Yeah. Of course I play games. It's like a movie, but you can be a part of it. I mean, it's the best of both worlds. Oh, by the way, I've been meaning to ask. Did you I hate to ask, but I'm gonna. Did you catch any of the last lecture, I swear, trying to keep that professor on track is like hurting. It's impossible to keep him on track. Non sequitur after non sequitur. Sometimes I don't even know what kind of lecture it's supposed to be. Like, sometimes it's just blending. Like, is this philosophy? Is it business? Religious? Just make up your mind, dude. Oh, I almost lost it when. Oh, nice driving. Oh. Well, if that don't beat all, now I'm soaked. Oh, a lot of good the umbrella did. Thanks. I saw you. You tried to cover me with your body. I bet if I took all that water, I'd be washed away. Oh, take a right up here, okay? I think we might need to take a pit stop. Well, we gotta dry off a little bit. I'm sure nobody around you would appreciate you being soaked through the bus. I'm pretty sure you would enjoy it least of all. Hey, there it is. Here, I'm just on the second floor. Just do me a favor and take your shoes off at the door. Yeah? Oh, gosh, it feels nice already. I think I might have to turn the heater on, though. I try not to let the bill get too high, but listen, I think we've earned it. Hey, you don't have to stand all awkwardly at the door and be this shy girl, all right? I mean, come on in. We might as well enjoy it, right? No. Or are you nervous just to be alone with the guy in his room? Just kidding. What? Did you get excited from it? Come in. I can get you some clothes you could wear. I mean, it should all fit. It's from somebody who's probably a good size for you. Oh, are you worried about my partner? Worried what they'd do if they discovered that you and I were alone together? Don't want to wear their shirt and pants? Listen, do you want to be wet and miserable while we talk? Don't worry. It's just an ex. Look, it's like the law of the jungle. They took a lot of my clothes, and they abandoned a lot of theirs. So, until I find something to do with them, they're mine. Oh, come on. I know I have to have some. Oh, this should fit. Here, catch. Sorry about the design. They were a film major. You know, I really thought it would be cool and like interesting and unique to date a film major, but oh, they were so pretentious about it. Like, no hate on film majors, but like, oh, some of them. They only watch stuff that they considered a film. And they were so anal about what made something special. Are you blushing because I said anal? I mean, like he was particular. That's so cute, actually. Anyway, Bathroom's right through that door. Just get changed and we can toss your clothes in the dryer after I get changed too. There you are. Took you long enough. What, did you fall in? Ooh, or were you trying to peek through my medicine cabinet? I'm gonna ask you something, miss. I won't find all my Tylenol in your pockets if I check. Right? You can take one of the towels out of the closet there to dry your hair, okay? I spent some time making sure mine wasn't soaked, too. Trust me, I'm gonna get our stuff all dried after I rest for a little bit, okay? The laundry room is in a communal basement in this complex, and it's finally starting to warm up in here. I don't want to get the chills again. You don't have to look so nervous. Sit anywhere, really. Make yourself comfortable, okay? We're already friends, right? Hey, it's like I told you earlier. I don't invite anyone to my room, so I think we're kind of best friends at this point, basically. Oh, what time is it? I gotta start on dinner soon. Hey, you wanna stay and eat with me? It's not much different cooking for one person or two, you know. And I've kind of got a lot of chicken breast that's gonna go. There's no way you just stared at me. Oh my god. Are you that nervous being alone with me? You think something's gonna happen that quickly? Oh, I'm almost hurt that you think so. I'll have you know that I am a respectable young man. And you gotta know, you need to wait until at least the second date for that. I mean, maybe the first and a half if you're cute. Kidding. You have any restrictions? Anything you don't like, silly. Anything you can't eat. I was planning on making some oyakodon. It's real comforting on a rainy day like today. And it's real simple to boot. Oh? Now why are you blushing now? Does it mean something? You should fill me in. And like, I'm going to be honest, if you don't tell me, I'm just going to Google it later. So it's better to learn it from a friend, right? Okay. You got me. I know what it is. But trust me, the food is really, really good. Like, no joke. Here, don't believe me? Fine. You just wait right here, and I'll have it out in 2 shakes of lambs. I mean, I'll have it out real quick. Ooh. Hey. Ta-da. It's best to eat it while it's hot. Fresher the better. Hey. See, I told you it's good. Mama always had a few secrets she'd like to put into it. I can get you a few recipes if you want. She didn't let me leave home without a binder full of them. And, maybe tomorrow we could stop by the library and get them, I don't know, photocopied or something. What? Did you think that we wouldn't see each other again after today? Come on, we're at least friends now. I think it'll be nice to get to know you more. You just, I don't know, you let me kind of yap. But it never feels like I'm talking at you. It's nice. And, like, you actually seem like you know what's happening in the lectures usually. I mean this in the kindest way. I'd love it if I could steal your notes sometime. Maybe I could have my own little private tutor in my new friend. Please, please, please. I don't want to bomb next week's test. I don't even want to think about what'll happen to me if I do. You will? Yay! You're the best. I knew I liked you for a reason. You know, I am full and warm now. I don't think I want to go into the basement still. How about we watch a movie? Or something. I mean, I've got popcorn in the cupboard, and I got a few nice blankets. Sounds like a great time for a night in, doesn't it? Storms. I thought it was going to stop at the rain. You know, it's probably actually dangerous, even just going to the bus stop. You you can stay here tonight if you'd like. Just sit on the couch, yeah? Yeah. Nothing meant by it. Promise. Oh. Uh, are are you sure you don't want to stay? I think it's just gonna keep on getting worse, and if you wanted to catch the bus, you'd need to sprint, and like if you stayed, I don't know, we could watch a movie, or you could help me with my studies, or uh, uh, are you sure? I mean, you wanna leave me all alone on a night like tonight? All right. Yeah. Um, take my umbrella. Just be sure to return it and my clothes to me tomorrow. I'll have your stuff ready by then too. Okay? Hey, I'm I'm looking forward to our next date. Come by again soon. Okay? I I wonder if I could even consider this a date.